It's Christmas time and New Year too. Wave goodbye to 25. Say hello 2026 high five. Pack your lunch and come along. We'll sing a tasty, healthy song. Around the world, let's laugh and mix with food, fun, and 2026. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Happy, healthy, full of cheer. Merry Christmas, Happy 2026. Crunch and munch, so good to mix. From every land, both near and far. Healthy lunches are our star. In Italy, pasta, whole grain twirl. Tomatoes, veggies, yum yum swirl. In Japan, a lunchbox neat. Rice and veggies, so fun to eat. Mexico brings bean and rice. Colorful, tasty, super nice. India shares dal and bread. Warm and yummy, just like said. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Happy, healthy, full of cheer. Merry Christmas, Happy 2026. Strong and smart with every fix. From every land, both near and far. Healthy lunches are our star. In Canada, apples crunch so sweet. With whole grain wraps, what a treat. In Africa, colorful plates. Veggies and grains, so great, so great. China steams dumplings just right. Veggies inside, bite after bite. Australia, sandwiches tall, packed with goodness. Share with all. When I say healthy, you say strong. Heartbeat drum. When I say food, you say yum. Food, yum. Clap your hands. Clap, clap. Spin around. Twist, twirl. Let's feed our bodies, boys and girls. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. With the 2026 with cheer. Merry Christmas, Happy 2026. Healthy lunches, let's remix. Eat the rainbow every day. Strong and kind is how we play. From our plate to yours today, we wish you joy